What is up, everyone? This is More Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to set different backgrounds on multiple monitors in Windows 10. So if you're like me and you're like, yo, I changed my monitor up, I have two monitors or three, I sometimes have three, and I want different things, I don't want the same picture on the same monitor. How can I have it changed up? So luckily for you, I got you. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually a fairly simple process. So in your any monitor screen, you want to right click into it and you want to click into personalize. In here, you're going to get to this background component page. Over here, this is where you can either browse a picture and choose, or basically from the picture itself that you may have, right click into it and set as background. So once you kind of do that, it'll actually apply to all the monitors. You're like, I want it on just monitor A, for example. So this is where you can essentially have it changed up. When you come over here for your pictures, let's say you have the two pictures over here, you can browse it and put it in here. You actually want to right click into the picture and it actually says it set for monitor 1 and monitor 2. You might have to play around and find out which one's monitor 1 and 2. You may already know, you may not know, so you can kind of just do it over here. But easily, like I said, once you kind of do it over here, you'll see, oh, okay, this is monitor 1, this is 2. Now I know which one it is. Oh, okay, I want this one on monitor 1, I want this one on monitor 2. So basically, that is how you would be able to kind of do it and have it set up for both monitors. Like I said, it's a fairly simple process. It's just kind of weird that it doesn't actually visibly show you, or even when you're on the desktop itself and you're trying to do it, it doesn't show you here. It should just say, oh, do you want to set it as desktop 1 or monitor 1 or 2? But whatever. Windows is Windows. Maybe in Windows 11 they'll make it better. But yeah. Just wanted to kind of show you this is essentially how to do it. It's a very simple process. Now you can change it up. You won't have to see the same screen twice. You should be good to go. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys overall like this video, please smash the like button, host the line. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that, More Tutorials out. Peace.